I want to show you how to take the standard homepage in Dynamics GP and personalize it for your own use. This will make Dynamics GP much easier to use, and you'll be able to get your work done much quicker. This is my homepage in Dynamics GP. Now let's take a look at how I can customize this or personalize it to make it even a little more personal. First thing you want to do is click on Customize this page. This opens up this screen right here, and you can see that I've got basically 6 areas that I can personalize for my own use. Let's take a look at the metrics area first. If I click on this expansion arrow here, it brings up this screen. Dynamics GP comes out of the box with several dozen KPIs or metrics on the left-hand side. You can select the ones you want to include on your home page. You can also select the order in which you want them to show up. So let's just stick with this. I'm going to hit OK. And you can see on the home page here, these metrics I can move back and forth, and it'll show me the different metrics as I scroll through that. Now another area that I can customize on my home page is the quick links area. In the quick links area, I've got quick links to areas within GP, but also to external files. I can easily add a link to a window in GP or to, for example, an Excel spreadsheet. Let's take a look at how I might do that. Again, I'm going to go up to Customize this page. It's going to open up this window here, and I want to add or manage the quick links area. I'll click on this expansion arrow here. You can see that I already have a number of items there. I want to add one, so I'll click on Add. I can add a GP window or an external program or file. Let's say I wanted to add an Excel spreadsheet. I'll go to Add External Program File here. I'll look up that external file. Here's my budget. Let me add that to my quick links. I'll just hit OK. Hit OK again. This will refresh the page. And then I can click on Budget here. You can see it'll open up my Excel spreadsheet. So I can have almost any document right there on my home page, ready to access, ready to interact with. Now another area that I can add to and personalize is the My Reports area. Right here I've got one report, but to add a report to this, it's relatively easy to do. What you want to do is go through the regular report dialog box and then click the My Reports button at the top. For example, say I wanted to add the trial balance from the general ledger to my Reports area. I'd go to Reports, Financial, Trial Balance. I select the one that I want. I'm going to select 2017. I'm going to modify that option, and here you see the My Reports button at the top. I'm going to click on that. It's going to give me the opportunity to change the name if I want to. I'll just select the default, hit OK, and then I'm done. Now if I refresh my home page by clicking up here, you'll see that that report now shows in the My Reports area. All I need to do to activate it is click on that selection. It's going to run the report, give me the current data, and send it to my screen. The final area I wanted to show you for personalization is in the Shortcuts bar. The Shortcuts bar is up here, and what I've done is I've added a few folders and some windows within those folders. If I right click on Home, you can see that I can add folders, I can also add items, I can add external shortcuts, I can add smart lists and macros. So it's really flexible, and what it allows you to do is to add a menu system to your very own system to personalize it in the way that you want to make sure that you get the work done quickly as possible. So let's add a folder here. I'm going to add a new folder, and I'll just call it Accounting. That's simple enough to do. But now I want to add to that my chart of accounts. So I'm going to right click again. I'm going to add a window. It brings up this dialog box here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and look at my different products here. I'm going to look at Microsoft Dynamics GP. I'm going to go into the financial area, and what I'm looking for is the account maintenance screen. Here it is right here. I can just select that and then hit Add, and then I'm done. And let's go back over to this folder, and you can see that item was added into the folder. I can click on that. Brings up the account maintenance screen. There are several ways that you can personalize the home page in Dynamics GP. And what you should really do is put the items on the home page that you go to on a regular basis so you can get your work done a lot easier. It's going to personalize it for your own use.